I do have a question for you. At least one of the things I noticed in Flutter, which, is kind of a little bit annoying, is that there's more than one way to do state management. And it kind of like, and also Google itself keeps changing their minds about what they kind of recommend, right? So I guess the first question is, what do you use for state management? And then the follow up for that one would be, why do you think this is such a complicated question and problem within Flutter?
Okay, so let's start with beginning. So we used to have, I personally use Bob a lot, a Bob pattern.
Block, right? BLOC?
Yeah, Bob pattern by the guy named, I forgot his name actually. Actually, I was involved with Bob pattern early days. I think his name is, it's hip hop. So
I can get you his name because I remember it. I'm actually planning to try to get him on.
yeah, his is really good. I think he's a guy from New York. He used to work in BMW.
Oh,
I was getting involved with a Flutter Bob pattern way back, and then we
that's
chatted a lot on.
Felix, right?
Yeah. That the guy looks
Uh-huh.
really crazy here, and he's actually really good. He's a really good one of people actually figure out something that will change in the industry, because Bob pattern is the way working with events and apps. I used to be, just working on a bunch of, because in the app, there's a couple components, right? You got UI, you got interaction. You also have a state. And state, how do you manipulate state? State have two different side, right? One's global state, one's local state. So how to work with those states would be crucial for how you manage what's the truth of the state. Like sometimes you just have a big application, you don't know which one is the truth. You know what I
Hmm.
mean? Because you
Yeah.
got so many moving parts, right? This guy changing, but where the hell is the truth? Well, you don't know because it's keep changing. React used to have a way to solve it called Redux. And then later they have something called MOEX. And then both of them are pretty good, pretty good. I think it's a very good methodology. They both have a similar pattern. But
Mm.
I'm from C Sharp, right? I'm from C Sharp guy. C Sharp, we also have something called events. We have an event bus that actually take care of our state, which is, no, they don't have that in, way back. People just don't have the kind of technology, available. So I using Bob pattern to make my state work. It's much more easier.